In today's video, we are going to talk about something really important. It's about AI, but we are not going to review a new AI model or talk about a software. It's something that can help you to jump ahead of the competition. I have been using the system for the past 2 months, and somehow it changed everything for me. It's like before AI and after AI, right? How we were working in 2021, for example, comparing to 2024. It's that the difference is that massive. So if you're ready, let's begin. So what we're going to talk about is a system that gives you a team of experts at the palm of your hand. It's very simple, and I will show you the way. And when you start working with it, you get good at it, you can almost do anything. And as we go forward, every month, this system gets stronger and stronger and stronger, and you can use it in any aspect of your life, any side of your business. It doesn't matter. So my experience over the past 2 months was that I felt like I have different teams of experts, and I just give them different tasks and they just complete the task. Not just one simple task. I give them massive tasks, like 30 to-do lists that it will take like, 20 minutes, 30 minutes for each of these teams to complete one of these massive tasks. And I was somehow struggling. I wasn't sure if I should share this with people on YouTube because it's very critical and it's very helpful. So I wanted you to have the same experience as me and the same possibilities available for you. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to Google and just search for vscode, okay? Now, we are not going to code. We are not going to write codes, okay? But we are going to use a system that help us to do anything we want. So on this link, Visual Studio Code, just click on it and go to download, okay? Click on download and it will let you to download a software like this, okay? After you downloaded it and installed it on your computer, when you open it, you will have something like this, okay? And the other thing we need is Claude. I'm talking about this AI, Claude.ai. All the links, by the way, will be down in the description. You can use Claude for free, but they have different subscriptions. The first level is $20 per month, which I have been using it for more than a year and a half, and I was really happy about it. It's not comparable with ChatGPT or some of the other AI models. It's very precise. It's really good. And for the past 2-3 months, I upgraded to the next level, which it cost $100 per month, and that's amazing. So anyway, Claude has different models, which if you use Sonnet 4.5 at the time that I'm recording this video, it's amazing. If you go to higher level, like if you are just on $20 per month, go for Sonnet 4.5. But if you are on $100 per month, you can use Opus 4.5 as much as you want. I haven't faced any limit till now, and I'm using it massively. So when you have your paid Claude account and you install VS Code, all you need to do is to come here to your VS Code, click here on extensions, and in the search bar, search for Claude Code, okay? You should find something like this, Claude Code for VS Code, okay? And if you look at it, over 3 million downloads, and just install it. It is from Anthropic. Anthropic is the company who developed Claude. And when you install this, okay, Let's come back here. These icons appear on the top. And when you click on the Claude icon, it will pop up a message that connect your Claude, and you click on it, it will open the browser, or it will send you an email. I don't remember, but the process is very straightforward. Okay. Then your Claude account will be connected to what we have here. Okay. And the good thing about it is that you can start chatting here with Claude. Now, why, you may say, why we don't use Claude here, like ChatGPT, like Claude, like Gemini, like many other AI models, why we don't do it in the browser and why we should do it here. And I'm repeating this again. This is not for coding. This is not just for coding. You can do anything here. The good thing, the main good thing that you can benefit from when you're working here is that you can give any task and it will complete it. The chat, when the chat want to end, it will just summarize it itself and then it will continue. So you don't have the problem that this chat has ended, now open a new chat, which is annoying on the browser. But you can do anything here. And if I just show you, for example, here I have another VS Code open, another window open. And as you can see, I'm just giving tasks to Claude and I'm telling it, okay, do this, do this, do this, and it will do it for me. And it doesn't need for you to know anything at all. For example, when you come here to VS Code, you can go to open folder, okay? And on desktop, I made a new folder. I'm just gonna open it. At the beginning, it asks you if you trust this folder. And here, I'm gonna open the chat. And right now in my project, it's the folders here, it's empty. So I'm just gonna click on a create new folder, and I'm gonna name it, I don't know, maybe 1-game. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is that first of all, Claude Code has 3 phase or 3 types or 3 mood, we can say. One of them is ask before edit, one of them is edit automatically, and one of them is plan mode. On plan mode, first it will create a plan, then you will analyze the plan, and if it is okay, you will give it a go, and then it will start doing. On ask before edit, it will not create a plan, but here it will first show you, then if you approve, it will do it. On automatically, edit automatically, it will just keep doing it. On some important things, it will just ask for your permission. So watch what we can do with it. I'm gonna tell Claude that I want you to create a complete Sudoku game with all its features. You can search online if you need to gather more info. Okay, so I'm just gonna write this and send it, and then I'm gonna wait. And oh, I forgot something. I'm gonna add it here. For example, it is gonna ask me a question. We can do it in the, we can write this in the prompt, or you can write when you can stop it and then write some additional prompt, and then it will continue. So I wanted to say, make the files and folders for this game inside the folder 1-game that I made. Okay. So, all right. Then it's gonna continue doing what it does best. So it creates a to-do list that, for example, for this game, what it needs. And then it will start to build it. And soon here we will see different files one by one created. So here is one file it made. It wrote all this code itself. and it will keep doing it. Okay, it will just keep going forward, right? And I'm gonna do one thing else. I'm gonna open a new window here, and here I'm gonna click on open folder, and again I'm gonna go to my same folder, and oh, it just jumped on here. So let me do it another way. So I'm gonna come here, open new, open folder, desktop, and here I'm gonna make another folder, and I'm gonna name it, what else we can build? Productivity app, for example. Or let's not go for coding. Let's do something else. Let's do, for example, book summary. Okay. So I'm gonna open this. Let me make it bigger so we can see everything much better. Create the chat. I want you to search online and then create a summary of top 5, let's say, economic books. Create a folder for each book, then gather the information, then create the summary for each book with all its important information and tips. Then, okay, let me do it this way. Then for each book, create a PDF, like a book with title and content and the rest of it. Okay, so even though it is on edit automatically, it will ask me that, all right, I want to search online for this. So I'm going to say yes. Then it will search for top 5 economic books. And then when the search is complete, it will get the result and then save it here. Now, as you can see, here our game is ready. Okay. And how to play, we have to just open this file in the browser. So let's try that. I'm just gonna drag it and bring it here. Okay, we have a Sudoku game here. And let's say, okay, oh, the hint works. If we go on note here, I want to add 8. Okay, the notes work. And let's say if I add 3 and 2 here, then I do, okay, redo doesn't work, undo, okay, then redo. Perfect. You see, it's a complete game. So now I'm gonna do, what would you do to make this game even better? Improve it. So it will do its job. Now I'm gonna come here. It will ask me for, it found a couple of books. Now I think it's, yeah, it is going to search for each of them individually. And this is a really good book for economics. Read it if you didn't. So this is doing its job. And now it is, okay, for the improvements here, it is suggesting some changes. Just do what you think is best. This is what I'm telling you. You have a team of experts. Now I can open 5, 10 VS Code window, and to each of them give different tasks. Even I can speak. For example, what I do usually is that I record my voice and AI convert it into text. I will send the text to each of these teams and they will do the job. Okay, you can have a team on your website, you can have a team on your app, you can have a team on your productivity. One team can do planning, one team can work on some folders for you, one team can create or make some files for your business. This is what I'm telling you. If you are missing on this and you're working alone and sometimes you just go on ChatGPT or Gemini or Grok and ask a couple of questions. How should I do this? What should I do when I face this issue? That's very slow. That was a good way a year ago. But now when we have these, they just do the job for you. Okay. So here, as you can see, it made all the folders. Now it is making the summaries for each of these books. And then when it is ready, we will look at the PDFs and we can use it, right? And when you don't know something, when you don't know how to install something on your computer, when there is a problem, you don't need to do anything. You just need to tell Claude that, hey, I have this problem, fix it. I want you to install this code on my computer or this software on my computer. For example, the next video that I'm going to create is about an open source AI model that we can install on our computer. And the installation process was a little bit challenging, so I didn't want to get into it. I just told Claude that install it. Read this page and install this for me. It took like 5 minutes. It asked me a couple of questions. I just said yes, 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 and then it installed it for me. Okay, so if you use this system, then everything will be easier for you. Okay, I'm just waiting for the result of these to get ready. And let me tell you one thing: when you are on Cloud on the $20 per month version, you can use it, but if you use it a lot, it will tell you that you have reached the limit, and then you should wait until this hour. For example, you should wait 2 or 3 hours until it resets the limit. Okay, but if you jump on $100 per month, it's like that you hired a couple of teams, like 20 people of expert. They are just at your service. Whatever you want them to do, they will do it for just $100 per month. It's amazing. So I think, let's see which one will complete their task faster. Now, meanwhile, they are working. I can, even here, I can open a new chat. Okay. And I tell this chat to work on some other part of this, for these folders or these files. I can say, for example, okay, now you look for books in psychology and do the same thing for me. Okay. Or here I can say, okay, this chat works on, let's say, building the game. This chat works on how we can, on the marketing process, and how we can market this game and sell it, or where we should build it first. Should it be on browser? Should it be on OS, iOS, or should it be on Windows, and so on. Okay, so this is ready, and it gave us some information about it. Let's have a look. I'm just gonna refresh this. Okay, here we have a statistics, and what changed? Mobile improvements. So if we load this on mobile, it will look much better. We have some hotkeys for it, and shake animation, completion flash. So it added some, oh, it has also audio. You hear that, right? Yeah. Okay. So if I just add something, okay. Oh, how lucky I was. I just randomly selected a number and it was correct. Am I doing this right? I have selected 3 numbers and all of them were correct. So you see, it's way more complete. Now I can again push it further, complete this game. add other things, improve it, improve it, improve it. And I have no idea how we should improve it. Claude knows this, and Claude will do the job for us. That's really cool. It's like a superpower. So, okay, this is making the PDFs. Let's look at them. Okay, the first one is ready. Or, okay, it made the HTML from it, and from here it will generate the PDF. I'm gonna fast forward until the PDFs are ready, but generally you get the idea. I can even tell Claude that, all right, here is, for example, on these folders, I want to arrange these folders, okay? Make them correct, put each file in the correct position, the correct placement. Whatever comes to your mind that you want to do it yourself on your computer, with this system, Claude can do it for you, and it can do it better than you. That's the main point, and faster. So that's the whole point of it. So let's fast forward until the result is ready. I stopped the process because I didn't want it to take more time on recording. And I told it that for now, just create the PDF of the first book. And I'm just saying yes, okay? Do whatever you want, install whatever you want. Of course, you can review it and see if you understand what it wants to do, but usually it will not harm your computer and it is perfectly safe. So it will install some additional softwares, not software, some libraries that it can help Claude through coding to complete the task that you want, okay? So, okay, another. All right, it takes like 1 minute, and it asked me a couple of questions. It tried to install some library. It wasn't successful. Then it tried to look for another way, and then the new way worked. And here it is. The PDF is ready. So let me just, and here is the PDF. Okay, let's just go through it. Okay, we have a table of content. Oh, the book looks really amazing, isn't it? And that's it, in 16 small pages. Some of them are very short. I can learn all these amazing information, okay? So this is something really good that you can do. Now, for example, I can say, okay, translate everything, make this PDF in another language that I can learn it better and easier. So that's another advantage. And I can just share this on my phone, and when I want to go to bed before sleeping, I can read these, right? So this is the whole story. Try it. If you face some issues, you can leave a comment. And if you were interested in this strategy or this system that I shared, do not forget to like this video. This way I understand that you like this kind of content, and I will make more of them for you. Of course, if you are not yet subscribed, which I doubt it, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. That would be all for this part. I will see you soon on another one.